Introducing Hirose's FH79 series, a compact, high-performance backflip FPC connector featuring a 0.3mm pitch and 1.2mm low-profile design. Engineered for automotive applications, the FH79 series ensures superior reliability, space efficiency, and heat resistance for high-density board designs. Key features of the FH79 series include an ultra-compact design with a 0.3mm pitch and low 1.2mm profile, optimizing space for high-density board layouts. It withstands temperatures up to 125 degrees C, ensuring long-term durability in extreme conditions. It features a top and bottom contact design, enhancing board layout flexibility while simplifying assembly. A secure backflip locking mechanism, increasing FPC retention force, preventing accidental openings, and ensuring a stable connection. And finally, it's optimized for high-speed signals, supporting embedded DisplayPort 1.3 at 5.4 gigabits per second, and MIPI D-PHY at 4.5 gigabits per second for seamless data transmission in automotive applications. Designed for automotive electronics, where high-speed data transmission in a compact and robust connector is essential. Stay ahead of the curve with the FH79 series connector. For deeper insights, visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Hirose Electric, Connecting the Future.